it's me, Charlene, and welcome back to Charlene's World. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on that star lantern thingy-majiggy. I'm going to show you right now what I'm talking about. So this. I haven't used this app in a while, so it might be a little bit rusty of my using. So the first thing you're going to be needing to do is select a new canvas, and I like to use iPad mode, so let's turn on iPad mode. And then I go to the bottom brush. I either go on smudge or spray. I do smudge most of the time, but I'm going to do spray today. So yeah, and to change your brush, you go on the plus. So then I put my size all the way up to 600.
1,000 feet. Turn left on Avenue M.
Okay, sorry, I'm in the car. Then I turn my flow up all the way to 100, make sure it's there. And go on to any random color on the wheel setting. Then I go to RBG and choose whatever color I want. So yeah. And again, if you hear random noises, it's because I'm in the car. So yeah. So then I just do 3 random dots of this color. So yeah, let's just do 3 random dots.
Turn left on Avenue M.
Again, I'm in the car. Then I go to a different color, and then I do the same thing. So I keep doing that until I'm satisfied. So yeah. Oh, and
Turn right on Rockaway Parkway.
can I talk GPS? Okay, thank you. So you guys, I will be mentioning the name of this app at the end of the video.
Right on Rockaway Parkway.
Turn right on Rockaway Parkway. More like shut up, GPS. I'm trying to talk. Okay, so you guys, stay tuned to the end to see what app I'm using for this video.
Half a mile. Turn right to Belt Parkway West Verrazano Bridge.
Oh my gosh! Okay, whatever. So yeah, you guys. So I would just want to do 2 more colors. And yeah, so let's just do these 2 more colors. Okay, what color am I going to use next? Maybe a green. Oh, so then you go to this brush thing and go to the ink brush, and then you press on the plus, and then you turn to the side, so whatever size you want. Then you go to the wheel settings on the color thing, or do what I just did and turn it to black. Then I go to shapes, I press star, real large the star to whichever size I want, double tap, and then I delete the star, go to lines, draw the line that I would like, and it doesn't matter if this is not straight because it will be the same thing. So yeah, you guys, if you hear talking, that's my brother asking my dad to go to McDonald's. So I just drew that line, and now I'm gonna get the diamond, put it all the way to the bottom, and then yeah, we just start adding diamonds to the top so it could look like a lantern. And yeah, you guys, I just found this app so I was just searching
Reported ahead.
police reported ahead. Okay, whatever, GPS. So you guys,
1,000 feet. Turn right.
So I was on TikTok. I was so mad that I couldn't get Procreate Pocket because it costs money. So then I just searched up random drawing apps, and obviously those 2 apps popped up at the top. And I just started scrolling down, and I found this app, and then I deleted it because I didn't really know how to use it. But then I downloaded it a second time, and so now I know how to use it. And I just did random drawings. So yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm done with these diamonds now. And now what do we do? I forgot what we do. Hold on 1 second. Oh, sorry. I forgot to do this in layers. You guys could do layers so first the dots, and then add a new layer, then do the star, then add a new layer, do the line, then add a new layer, do the diamond, merge all those layers, and then transform the layer. And after you transform the layer, make that thing smaller. Again, I forgot how to use this app a little bit because I haven't used it in a while, so my drawing at this thing is really rusty. So yeah, so after that there's gonna be a white border around it, so that's the border layer. And yeah, you're done. So just save your sketch. That was my brother who farted. So yeah. So bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. Oh, and by the way, the app I used was...
Continue straight for
Okay, you guys, now I'm going to tell you the name of the app, and the app is called Adobe Photoshop Sketch. So, bye, guys.